ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and Donald Trump is celebrating another massive court victory. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. And if you love Donald Trump as much as we do, hit that join button and become a member of this channel. Guys, Donald Trump scored another massive court victory because of the Supreme Court. Judge Juan Merchan, who I think we all know at this point cannot stand former President Donald Trump, he's postponed his sentencing until September. And he said, if it's even necessary, in other words, the conviction against Donald Trump might be invalidated. Now, the District Attorney's Office of Alvin Bragg, they didn't oppose sending this to September for the sentencing, but they don't believe it has any merit. They don't believe that the conviction is going to be invalidated. I personally don't think Merchan will invalidate it, but the appeals court might, and if they don't, the Supreme Court probably will. I want you to watch this report on it and let me know what you think in the comments. Should it be invalidated? Should it all start over again? Should this case just be eliminated? Let me know in the comments.
News coming in right here into the newsroom. Donald Trump's sentencing and his hush money case has been formally postponed following the Supreme Court's ruling on presidential immunity.
We have CNN's Kara Scannell on this story. Kara, give us the latest here.
Yeah, so the judge has just issued his decision on this, delaying Trump's sentencing until September 18th. That is to give him time to consider Trump's effort to try to overturn the conviction in light of yesterday's Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. Trump's team had asked for a delay of the sentencing and a briefing schedule so they could make these legal arguments about presidential immunity, questioning some of the evidence that had been entered into the case, either testimony about Oval Office meetings, things that could potentially be considered official acts and that could be excluded or should have been excluded under this new Supreme Court decision. Now, the prosecutors today said that they didn't oppose postponing the sentencing. The judge said that he would postpone it, now setting a date of September 18th instead of next Thursday. And he also agreed to a briefing schedule. Now, he said that he would issue his opinion on presidential immunity on September 6th. And then he said that the sentencing would take place on the 18th. He set that date for the imposition of the sentence, if such is still necessary, or any other proceeding. So at this point now, we're looking at Donald Trump not facing a potential sentencing in this case until September. Of course, the issue before the judge will be presidential immunity, whether the Supreme Court's decision affects the conviction in this case in any way. Trump's team is asking for that to be overturned or a new trial. So depending on which way the judge rules, if he does find in favor of the prosecution, then Trump's sentencing will follow in September. Trump's lawyers, of course, are planning to appeal all of this to New York's highest court. Pam, Brianna?
All right, Kara Scannell, thank you so much.